got both of them things out here started up. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We coming to y'all with another video today. This one's gonna be a throwback video of my 85 Cutlass with 500 horsepower. It's got a 355 small block in it. It's also got some extra little goodies I'm not gonna mention because I may bring this motor back. So this first clip is right after I had the car in Mexico and I broke the transmission in it. Happy MLK to everybody too, man. For all you fellas that's out in Miami, that's going to the parade, man, be safe. Watch out for the bullshit, you know, because it's out there. But overall, man, have a good MLK day, man. Shout out to my little brother. Your birthday coming soon. So let's get to this clip. Hell yeah, I ain't start this bitch up in a minute. Gonna start my baby up. Yeah, 85 cut, dog. Give y'all a little peek of what's up underneath this thing right here. That bit. That's it. Everything original. Oh, sound real good. Hell yeah, boy. That's the other one right there. Look, brother. This one is on the way. That one right there is serious, though. Alright, guys, we back again. And I got another clip. This clip is after I got the car back from getting the transmission fixed. I put a brand new TCI transmission from Jegs in it, FTC, I believe that's right, FTC 3500 stall converter. And as you could tell in this clip, the car even sounds a whole lot different. The note is a little deeper.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Man, I love this car, man. I had a lot of fun in it. Me and my son, as you're gonna see in this clip, we used to go out and have a lot of fun in it. And man, like I said, I may bring this motor back, may do something different. But y'all get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think. Check this out. Hell yeah, it's back again. Done with the transmission. And cleaned it up a little bit. Come on. Take y'all on a little ride. Yeah, we're gonna go on a little ride.
Joyride.
Got my little son with me. Cameraman right now.
I can't see anything. Can I film me outside? Back
Yeah, that's
there?
what I want you to do now. As you can see, the speedometer. Sounds really, really good now.
Hell yeah, I got both of them things out here started up.
This is my twin sister. Her name, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck me. See?
Twins, yes. We're going to see the twins, yes. Okay, now where were we, baby?
Alright guys, I want to thank y'all for coming out. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Share if you like the content. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I appreciate everybody watching and watching the full videos, man. That's gonna help me out a lot. I appreciate it. Turn the notification bells on too, and keep your foot on the gas, man, because we going straight to the top, man. We ain't slacking this year, man. We gonna do all it takes to get to 30,000 and more. So stay tuned, man. I appreciate it. Peace.